Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial how to watch live streaming on Twitch for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Twitch application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitch. And after that, you can click the search symbol in the upper of the right corner. Here, click on, and you can search about the live streaming theme that you want to watch it. I want to watch the PUBG Mobile. Okay, if you to click the PUBG Mobile, there is so many people have the live streaming on Twitch. You can see and you can click the one of them to see about the live streaming. It's depend you and it's a type it depend for you. Click on, and now you watch about the live streaming for your Twitch. Okay, it's very simple thing to you and very simple things to follow it. And I think it's enough for this tutorial. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.